Good afternoon. My name is Betsy Diana Pantalukumi. I am 26 years old. I am Colombian from the municipality of Puerto Tejada, Cauca. I study business administration. My hobbies are listening to music, dancing, reading, I go to shopping. My daily routine is um, waking up, taking a shower, wearing dress, having breakfast, and going to work. The activities do with my family or watching Netflix and talking. Thank you.